Manifesting, manifesting, manifesting. Everyone's talking about manifesting. How do I manifest? What do I need to do? How do I do this? How do I do that? Well, the truth is, everybody is manifesting all the time. Even you are. Hey guys, how you going? Campbell here, Spiral Up channel. And yeah, everyone's already manifesting all the time. Everyone's asking, how do I manifest? How do I manifest? The truth is, everyone is manifesting. That's what reality is, right? As we walk forward into the future, we are manifesting it by the thoughts that we think, by our belief systems. So, yes, you are manifesting your life every day, every minute. And so is everyone else. The problem is, most people are manifesting what they don't want. Okay, so this is really the only thing we need to change is what we're manifesting, because we're manifesting machines. We are the creators, right? We create this reality. We're the creation and the creator. And so what's happening is it's the programming, right? The programming of society, school, the news, social media, music, movies, all this stuff, pop icons, family, friends, um, they all are influencing us and we are being programmed. That's the bottom line. And it's the program that is manifesting for us because that becomes what we think. Because what happens over time is we start to believe that we are the program and the program is us. That little voice inside your head, right? The big but voice. Every time you want to do something different and reach for something bigger, it says, but what if you fail? But you've never done this before. But what will other people think? But, right? And it stops us going forward. But that's not you. That little voice is not you. It is the program that's been put into us since birth from the outside world, because there's two worlds we live in. Okay, we have the outside world, the collective consciousness. And this is what is controlled by, those who wish to rule us, right? The elites, because the way they do it is they get us to manifest the reality they want, and they do that through programming us through school, the media, the news, etc., right? That's the outside world that you can't change on your own. But then there's an inside world. The inside world you can change. But what's happened is the outside world has leaked into the inside world, and we now believe, or many of us, that that is us, that this little voice that's saying, what about this? And the voice, that a lot of people have, the fear voice, this is going to happen, that's going to happen. I heard it on the news. Someone told me, there's going to be a war, there's going to be another lockdown, there's going to be this, there's going to be that. That's all from outside you, right? This is the outside program. And what it does is it affects the inside program, which is the manifesting program, the creative program. And of course, that's why it's being done, right? Because, like I said, those who wish to rule us get us to create the world they want. And they do that by bombarding us with information. That's why you need to throw out your TV, right? And not listen, to a lot of the information going around there, because most of it isn't even relevant to your life. And all it's going to do is make you manifest something you don't want. So back to manifesting, bit of a tangent there. Back to manifesting. How do you start to manifest what you want? Well, you need to catch this program, right? The butt man. You need to catch it when it stops you. So start doing things different. Start stretching yourself. And when that voice pops up and says, but what about this? But what about that? But what if you fail? Blah, 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 right? When this voice pops up, first of all, you need to recognize that it is not you. It's not you, right? Recognize it and tell it, you're not me. Shut up. And then tell it to go away. It's not wanted. Okay. And that's basically it. The first thing is to recognize that it's not you and that you don't need to listen to it, and that it's a liar, right? It's the great trickster, because it's telling you that other people's opinions are truth. And these other people who give us these opinions, most of them have never had a life that they enjoy, right? They've never manifested anything that they want. And yet we take advice from them. A lot of the time it's, subliminally, right? It goes into our subconscious and comes out again, but still that they end up controlling us. So You don't want people like that controlling you. You don't want anyone controlling you, right? So recognize it's not you. Tell it to go away. And then after a while, what will happen is the voice will get quieter and you can start finding your true inner voice, right? The one that supports you and that knows that you're a creator and that you're amazing. You have everything you need already inside of you. That's the voice you need to listen to. But it is a journey. So the first step on manifesting something different in your life is to recognize that little voice. Okay. Recognize it's not you and tell it to shut up and go away. And then once you get rid of that little annoying butt man, you'll find that you'll start achieving things. When you do, congratulate yourself, right? Celebrate it, and then go for something bigger and bigger. And before you know it, you'll be manifesting things that you do want in your life rather than the things that you don't. So there you go. That's tip one on manifesting. I hope you enjoyed that. Please share this video around. Let's get it promoted out. Get some real information out because there's so much minutiae out there in the self-help industry. And I just like to get practical information out to people. So please share this around. Leave me a comment. What did you think of the video? Are there any videos you'd like me to do on any topics? And of course, give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for spending some time with me, and I'll talk to you all on the next upload. Bye for now. Are you sick of your job? Are you over going to work 40, 50, 60 hours a week just to end up at the end of the week with not enough money to pay the bills? I mean, the cost of living is crazy at the moment, right? And it's everything, food, accommodation, bills, that they're all going through the roof. But what's not going through the roof is people's wages, right? Like just because the cost of living is going up, your boss doesn't come and give you a raise so that you can live, do they? So what do you do? How do you get out of this trap? How do you get your time back so that you can make your own choices of how you spend your time and who you spend it with? Well, there are ways, guys. There are. And I've started an online business. It's called the Legacy Builders Program. And I work on it just 2 hours a day. So this is something you can start if you're already in a job. And in time, you'll be able to sack your boss. Won't that be a good day, right? But this is the thing. We earn 100% commission, and they are from $100, $300, $600, and $900 US. So imagine what $900 US a week would do for you. Imagine what it would, if you're making 3 of those a week, how would that change your life? Because this is possible, guys. People are making good money online, and you can learn what they're doing and do it as well. So if you're looking for something better, if you're interested in a new way, getting free, then just check out the link below in the description.